Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest tablets on the market right now, the MEBERRY Tablet 12-inch Android 13. This is not just any tablet, it's the best MEBERRY has to offer. Let's unpack why. First off, let's talk about the design and display. The MEBERRY tablet sports a gorgeous 12-inch 2K screen, perfect for immersive viewing and crisp detail. Whether you're streaming movies, browsing the web, or tackling productivity tasks, this display delivers vibrant colors and sharp images that truly enhance your experience. Moving on to performance, this tablet is a powerhouse. It's equipped with an octa-core processor clocked at 2.0 GHz, paired with a whopping 16 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. Need more space? No problem. It supports expandable storage up to 1 TB via microSD, ensuring you never run out of room for your apps, photos, and videos. Android 13 runs the show here, offering improved privacy features and faster performance. Multitasking is seamless thanks to features like screen recording and enhanced app management, making this tablet not just a device, but a productivity powerhouse. Connectivity-wise, the MEBERRY tablet covers all bases. It supports both 2.4 GHz and 5.0 GHz Wi-Fi for stable internet connections, along with Bluetooth 5.0 for wireless accessories. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, staying connected has never been easier. Let's talk about capturing moments. With a 13 megapixels rear camera and a 5 megapixels front-facing camera, the MEBERRY tablet ensures you can snap high-quality photos and enjoy crystal-clear video calls. Plus, with 4 speakers delivering rich, immersive sound, it's perfect for enjoying your favorite music and movies without compromise. What sets this tablet apart even further is the included accessories. You get a large Bluetooth keyboard and a wireless mouse, transforming this tablet into a full-fledged laptop replacement when you need to get down to serious work. In conclusion, the MEBERRY Tablet 12-inch Android 13 is not just a tablet, it's your ultimate companion for work, play, and everything in between. With its powerful performance, stunning display, and thoughtful accessories, it's clear why this is the best MEBERRY tablet available today. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews like this. Drop your comments below on what you think about the MEBERRY tablet or any questions you might have. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.